You are listening to the Coinist podcast.
The data is so overwhelming. Over the last 5 years, if you had a 60-40 global portfolio, you returned about 7.2%. If you'd taken 0.5% from stocks, 0.5% from bonds, and put it into Bitcoin, you would have gone from 7.2% to 9.2%. So 200 basis point upside. If that 1% position in Bitcoin had gone to zero, you lost all your money, you'd gone from 7.2 to 7%. 20 basis point downside. So 10 to 1 upside to downside. And the fact that it's non-correlated, right, ends up reducing the overall risk of the portfolio. Like, people always focus on the qualitative. No one uses it, blah, 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 whatever. It's one of the top 15 most popular currencies in the world. On-chain transaction volume last year was more transaction volume than Venmo, PayPal, or Apple Pay. It's available in more countries, and people don't like to hear this in the U.S., but we're spoiled. The U.S. dollar works. But my favorite part to bring people up with is they say, oh, no one buys it with coffee. I just went and bought coffee. I didn't use dollars. I used credit. Most of the coffee that's bought at Starbucks is used with credit. It's not dollars. When do I settle that transaction? When I pay off my credit card at the end of the month. Right? So people think, oh, I'm using dollars. No, you're not. You're using credit. And the reason you use the credit is because the dollars are actually harder to use than the credit. Right? And if you think of it in layers, there's gold, and there's paper claim on gold, and there's electronic money, then there's credit built, etc. Well, that took a lot of time to build. Same thing's going to happen with Bitcoin.
What's going on, guys? Hopefully you're enjoying these short clips from the Coinist podcast, the best place to hear from top investors, analysts, biggest exchanges, all in the crypto market. The link for the full episodes right down in the description below. You can also listen to these episodes on iTunes and Spotify, so you can get that information on the go. Thank you once again for stopping by. Hit that subscribe button, smash like, and let me know who you want to see on the show next. Until next time, peace.